Yeah, hi students. In this video, we are going to talk about whether a given fraction can be simplified further or not. Right? So, for you, I have taken three fractions. Set up this. So, first fraction we are going to test is that 135 by 56. Suppose you are required to simplify it. I repeat, suppose you are required to simplify this fraction. Right. So what we normally do, we normally divide it by common factors, right? But there can be cases wherein you will end up having no common factors in between the given pair of numbers. Okay. For example, so what is the correct way of doing solving such kind of things? Correct way is that you take the help of prime factorization. You do 135. Can we prime factorize it with 2? No. You can do it with 3 because the sum of the digit is 9. It's a multiple of 3. So, okay. 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. So, again it is divisible by 3. 3 is a prime number, right? So, the smallest prime number is 2 and followed by 3. So, again it is coming 1, 5, right? And is it divisible by 3? Yes. What shall we do now? After that we have to stop because 5 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. So the moment you encounter any prime number, you have to stop that moment. Because prime number has no factor other than 1 and the number itself. Prime number has no factor other than 1 and the number itself. So we should not do anything. Right? So similarly, take 56. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. What is the quotient? 28. Yes. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. What is the quotient? 48. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. Now, is 7 divisible by? No. Because 7 is again a prime number. So, you have to stop at the very moment wherever you encounter any prime number. So now you can write 135 as how to? Let us write 135 in terms of its factor. We are prime factorizing, right? 135 we can write in this form. And 135 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. So I will write here 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay? And similarly, how to express 56? 56 also we can write in terms of its prime factors. 3 times 2, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So now let us see, do you see any common factor in between 135 and 56 other than 1? I will ask a question, do we find a common factor other than 1? What is the answer of this question in this case? Do you see any common factor other than 1? So answer is no. No. That means 135 by 56 cannot be simplified. Further, right? Cannot be simplified further, right? Cannot be simplified further. Okay? What we mean by that? That it cannot be simplified by further. That means both numerator and denominator, they are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are those numbers, right, which has no common factor other than 1. I repeat, co-prime numbers are those numbers which has no common factor other than 1. So in this case, what we are saying, between 135 and 56, we did not find any common factor, right? So they are co-prime. That means we cannot simplify it further, right? So we are done with the first pair of numbers, right? So we'll start with second one here. We'll try to adjust the things. For the next one you are going to take is that 5 and 4, 39. Okay. So I will write it as 534 divided by upon 39. 534 upon 39. So we have to check, can we simplify it further or not? So what is the way? Same way we will adopt. Okay. So let us start. So we can say that 5, 3, 4. Sum of the digit is 5, 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So it is divisible by 3. No. You should try it with 2 first because it is even number. 2, 2 to the 4, 1, 3, 2, 6, 2, 7. Right? Okay. So again, it is not divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. So it is divisible by 3 for sure. So 3 8 ja 24, and then 2 7, 3 9 ja this 89, right? So now is 89 divisible by any number? Right? 89 is a prime number, right? You are required to remember the prime numbers which exist between 1 to 100. So there are 5 prime numbers which exist. So now let us do this as well. 39. Can we try with 2? No, because this is odd number. So 3, yes, 9 plus 3, 12. So sum of the digit is divisible, is a factor of, is a multiple of 3. So definitely it is divisible by 3. And 13 is a prime number. So we have to stop here. So that means what? We can write 534 equal to 2 into 3 into 89. 2 into 3 into 89, right? And 39 as 3 into 39. Okay? So 89 and 13 we stopped here because both of them are prime numbers. Okay? So now please answer this question. Do we find a common factor other than 1? Do we find a common factor other than 1? Yes, we do find. So 3. 3 is a common factor which is in both the places. So that means, therefore, 534 and 39, you can simplify it. This is something which you can simplify. So, by which factor you will simplify it? Okay. So, 3 it is, we can, okay. 3 1 is 3, right? 2 3, 3 7 is 21, 2 4, 3 8 is 24, right? And it is 13. By seeing 13, we have to stop anywhere because this is a prime number. So what we learn from this, that 534 by 39 is a fraction. Can it be simplified further? Yes. Why? Because there exists a common factor. Right? Now we have to stop here anyway because 13 is a prime number. So 534, 39. Can we simplify it further? Yes, we can simplify. Can we simplify 135 into 6 as we proved here? No, not yet. Not possible because both of them are co-prime numbers. So we cannot simplify it. Now let us try the last one. Question number 3, right? So 912 upon 109. 912 upon 109. Okay. We will try, let us try. 912 prime factorize it. So we can do it with the help of 2, yes. 2, 4 ja, 8, 1 1, 2 5 ja, 10, 2 6 ja, 12. Okay. Now is it again divisible? Yes. 2, 2, 1 5, 2 7 ja, 14, 1 6, 2 8 ja, 16. Again it is 2, yes, even number. 1, it is 3, it is 9. Is this? I think 139. It is not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 3 because the sum of the digits. So to be what we call this 13. So 13 is not a multiple of 3, so it's not divisible by 5, not divisible by 7, right? So it seems to be a prime number, right? After that, what we will try? We will try 109 to prime factorize. 2, no. 3, no. Because 9 plus 1 10. 4, no. 5, no. 6, no. Right? 7, no. 8, no. It's not visible by any number. 11, no. 12, no, of course not. 13, no. Okay. So that is the prime number, okay? Because it has no factor other than 1. So this is a prime number. 109 is a prime number. So if someone asks you between a composite number, this becomes a composite number, right? Between a composite number and prime number, what are the factors possible? What are the common factors? The answer is 1 only. So if I ask you what is the answer of this question, do we have a common factor other than 1? Do we have a common factor other than 1 between 912 and 109? So the answer is no, right? So that means it cannot be simplified further. So 912 upon 109, it will be as it is, right? It cannot be simplified further because both of them are co-prime. We call such numbers as co-prime, okay? Co-prime. So this is how we can check. So with the help of prime factorization, right, we can check whether given two numbers can be simplified further or not, right? So question number 2 can be simplified